Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Seneca Woodworking, and I want to take a moment to talk to you about these two tools, the Festool Domino DF 500 and the Festool Domino XL DF 700. Both these tools are amazing tools for making mortises in either your shop or on the job site. But the question we hear a lot up until now is, which tool is right for me? Finally, we have an answer for this. The Seneca Woodworking Small Mortise Kit. The Seneca Woodworking Small Mortise Kit is a set of 3 components that let your Domino XL DF 700 do the work of the Domino DF 500. This kit consists of 3 main components: a cutter adapter, an Imperial thickness gauge, and our Shim fence shim. The cutter adapter lets you mount the Domino 500 cutters onto the Domino XL. It's sized so that the shorter Domino 500 cutters plus the length of the cutter adapter equals the length of the Domino 700 cutters. In this way, the plunge depth scale on the side of the Domino XL still reads accurate. Also in the kit we have our Imperial thickness gauge. The Imperial thickness gauge is a replacement for the metric thickness gauge that comes with the Domino XL. This gauge is preset for 5 different sizes of Imperial thickness plywood. It lets you easily and quickly center on these materials. The Shim fence shim is our CNC machine fence shim for the Domino XL. This shim allows the Domino XL to center on material that's much thinner than it's normally capable of, such as 1/2-inch thick plywood or sheet goods. The Festool Domino XL combined with the Seneca Woodworking Small Mortise Kit is the combination that will save you both a lot of space in your shop or truck and a lot of money. Click the link below to learn more about this or any of our other precision woodworking tools.